Hi, I am Vishal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video we have got something special, all the 20 projects from this awesome book Watercolor in Nature by Rosalie Haizlett. So this has 20 awesome projects from various bugs, plants and animals, and I have uploaded all the projects in 15 videos. You can check those out. And for this video I have got the compilation of all the 20 projects. So I hope you like it, and if you enjoy it, just give me a thumbs up. So before we dive into all the 20 projects, I forgot to mention that this took me more than 50 hours to complete, another 10 or 15 hours to edit, capture photo, create thumbnail and write the script and do other various things, and around more 30 hours or so to create various other projects like this 5 big one and 15 small variations of the painting from the book. So it took me around 90 to 100 hours to complete this book. So I hope you like it. Now enjoy the music and the paintings. Peace.
난 달려가 저 들판 위로 while we love it 내 길을 찾고 있어 I'll just take your time 기다려줘 나 can you trust me what about it Cause I promise you you're always on my mind Have you seen that never let go. Just tell me what you need, for it's already gone. Never let go. Just tell me what you need, tell me all that you know. I can see you want, baby. I can see you want it from me. Oh no, I can see you want, baby. I can see you want it from me. 아직까지는 듯한 위야. I'm a novice to know your flaws and I don't mind. Did I tell you really want you to know? Then 지금이야, I guarantee you'll be alright. Have I seen the one element? Yes, what you mean, cause I'm one of it. Cause I know there's a ring to it, and no one on team, and it's true with that you love again. Can't look at it, just want your original. You're mine, can I be your only one? Cause I'll never let go. Just tell me what you need, for it's already gone. Never let go. Just tell me what you need, tell me all that you know. I can see you want, baby. I can see you want it from me. Oh no, I can see you want, baby. I can see you want it from me. is all of you, baby, baby. Nothing less than that will do, baby, baby. You take me higher, higher, higher. You set my soul on fire, fire, baby. You get me like no one before, yeah. You don't need me, but you want me more and more. Something I adore, and I know, I'm sure, I feel love with you. So just stay, you stay, I'm yours, babe. It's true. You take me. You take me. You set my soul on fire. All I want is all of you, baby, baby. Nothing less than that will do, baby, baby. You take me higher, higher, higher. You set my soul on fire, fire, baby. You get me like no one before, yeah. You don't need me, but you want me more and more. It's true. You take me. You set my soul on You take me higher, 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 baby, baby. You set my soul on fire, fire, baby.
Didn't think I'd climb so high. Never thought I'd have it all. Floating somewhere in the sky. And I don't think I'll ever fall. Hold on, don't let go of me yet. Don't want it to end, just stay right here. Hold on, don't let this slip away. 'Cause I don't know anybody quite like you. You can lift me up, and the truth is I'm falling. I'll be there till I'm gone. I don't need anybody, only you. You can lift me up, and the truth is I'm falling. Oh, 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 oh. I'll be there till I'm gone. Funny when I'm looking back, every single photograph never fails to make me smile. is I'm falling. I'll be there till I'm gone. I don't need anybody. Only you can lift me up. And the truth is I'm falling. I'll be there till I'm gone. 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 I don't know anybody quite like you can lift me up. And the truth is I'm falling. I'll be there till I'm gone. I don't need anybody. Only you can lift me up. And the truth is I'm falling.
what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, honey, I got what you need. Yeah, under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Honey, honey, I got what you want. Honey, honey, I got what you need. Honey, honey, I got what you want. Honey, honey, I got what you need. Give me your love, no holding back, no. We could take it to the stars where you wanna go. The things that we can do, don't need to prove you know. Honey, honey, I got what you want. Yeah, under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me no lies, I always get mine. Don't play with me. So do you want it? Do you want it? Can you feel me? need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the cups, breakups, bumps in the road, we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours and mine, it's you and I. It's you and I. You won't say it out loud, but I can tell you're not fine. 'Cause I know you like that. I know you better than anyone you know. Yeah, I know exactly how you bottle things up inside, but you don't have to be stubborn, so goddamn proud. I know you better than anyone you know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the cups, breakups, bumps in the road, we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours to mine, it's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I.
Let's stop and stare for a minute, 'cause there is divinity there where the sinners breathe. They work their jaws, raise the hands of beyond for the physical, limited destiny. Free spirits, free. The sun, the light, the truth is within. Lead. Call upon the prince, free spirits, free. The stars, the moon, the ocean, wind submerge my face. I bleed to bliss, I'm free from pain. On my left I find, I win, I hurt, I listen is inside each breath. Desires, 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 desires. No sun, lights off, I'm annoyed, I'm trying to focus. You fighting the front, could you quiet the noise? I'm paid to record, not delivered by the money, I'm at vantage point. Message from the highest, now it's coming up my mouth. Let it rain down on my body, watch it blossom in a month. We did the labor for nobody, now it's time to build the fruits of the art of our souls. Let the true ones eat. I'm so ready, I'm so ready, I'm so ready. I'm so ready, I'm so ready, let's surrender. I stand here red-handed with the evidence. The simplest expression is of infinite. I'm sent to experience the visions of the limitless. I animate this body to its destined death. All my life I find there's always so much more just beyond the forest.
Thank you for watching the whole video. To let me know that you have finished it, just comment go nature. So apart from this, the other paintings that I have made, I'll be uploading this too. So we have got blue snail, blue frog, blue salamander and various other. So I'll be uploading this one by one. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, or if you want me to try any other book or any other classes, let me know in the description. So that's all. Peace.
One day, like a tidal wave, a hurricane, like a thunderstorm, the pouring rain, it comes rolling in.